Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It's a wonderful day to be alive and be thankful and grateful and able and capable and doing a gorgeous hair like this beautiful lady's hair. We started at 7:30 a.m. She got me early in the bed. Of course, I got her early too because she had to drive an hour to get here. We appreciate that. Check this beautiful color on this gorgeous lady's hair. It's gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Beautiful color. Not to mention, I've been doing this hair, her hair, 16 years maybe. I don't know.
17.
17? Oh, excuse-moi. I was off 1 year. You know, a lot of things can happen in 1 year, guys. At least I know probably. So you come every 6 weeks. So I don't know, 6, 7 times you come in a year. Maybe 5. I don't know. Anyhow, guys, create this gorgeous blonde, beautiful caramel, beige, blonde, soft, beautiful shades. She's blessed with hair. I have to pay to get hair, and we're taking hair from her head. You know what I'm saying? Not to mention, my hair is coming back very nice. So we're doing this amazing hair. We're fine-tuning her beautiful hair. She's like a Rolex. We're fine-tuning the Rolex right here. I mean, this is the only crown you'll never take off. Mario's hair designers, we don't make mistakes, we make discoveries. When I'm working on your hair is the crown, and I treat you like a queen. You're about to taste some Turkish coffee before you go. I know you had some Waffle House. We're keeping the length, but we're taking off a lot of internal weight from her hair because so she's blessed. The whole family has a lot of hair. How's your mom's hair? Hers still thick, right?
It is.
Is her mother's hair thick, Ria-san?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ria does her mom's hair when she comes. I remember you said last time you want to bring her.
Yeah. I'm going to bring her for Christmas.
Okay. Your Christmas gift. I like that. It's beautiful, guys. Look at this gorgeous hair. We have several shades of blondes. Her glaze alone, it was 4 different tones of glaze I mixed. Because I'm an expert colorist with a lot of passion that goes into it. It's like, cooking a simple meal, but you have to incorporate so much ingredients. We were talking about sea bass, and we were sharing ideas and recipes. So, sea bass happens to be one of the most quality, cleanest pashka from the God's ocean. You're not getting dizzy, are you? I'll catch you if you fall. It's like, go ride a carousel when you're kids and the guy will watch, make sure everybody's sitting right and anything happens, he presses the button and you go up. Not carousel, those things they used to have at the mall?
Yeah.
What do you call them?
Carousel.
Carousel? Okay. I want to do hair downtown Atlanta when the carousel, when it's circling around. Can we make a reservation and do that? I want you to be my mother. I'll pay for the ride. Get some Italian ice cream on the way. Guys, we all have our favorites, but I love all of my clients. But Miss Christina here, she's been a gift of gifts. She's been coming, supporting Mario Serra Designers for years. I'm sure many of you familiar with her beautiful face. That's because I put her on my, Instagram, Facebook, and she's generous enough to share her beautiful. Allow me to do this live because she is a paying client. She can say no, but I appreciate her support. That means she wants me to stay successful, so I can stay in business. My success, her success, because if I'm here, she won't have to worry about finding another hairdresser. This is one of my favorite products.
Me too. I love the way it smells.
I love the way it smells. We love the way it smells, and we love what it does. Shimmering mist. Today I'm here. Tomorrow I'm doing a wedding here on location, and the next day, that night, I'm going to Macon, Georgia, doing another haircut, and the following day I'm attending the Grand Lodge of Georgia's meeting. Looking forward to it. I'm going into 40-year mark. Many people watches me and they say, "Oh, what is he doing?" Well, guess what? I'm not teaching. If I was teaching you, you gotta pay me $2,000 for one haircut experience. Took me many years to get to where I am, guys. Okay? I'm doing adjustments. It's like adjusting the Rolex handle set. Making sure everything is perfectly ticking. Well, guess what? Same thing with the haircut. Anything you do in life, or walking in a Ferrari, Lambo, you know what I mean? I know a lot of mechanics out there, but there's very selective amount of mechanics can work in a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti. That's where I come in, guys. I'm a mechanic, hair mechanic, like a Bugatti mechanic. My clients have the Bugatti hair, Ferrari, Lambo. My favorite car is the M3. I got one. It was my dream car. I got it in 2004 and I still have it.
Your hair looks so pretty. Oh, thank you.
You want to get a job here, Lauren? You complimenting my customer. You want me to... You're trying to, make sure I give you the best haircut once I'm done with yours.
Yeah, always.
Well, I try my best.
I always give them a good review. Do you? Yes.
Thank you. Come here, Lauren. You are
the best.
such a trip. She is such a trip.
Tito's okay. Is he in the cart?
He goes inside the cart and sleep in there because his baby crib. His baby bed in there.
so spoiled.
I'm telling you, he jumped. Yesterday he jumped there and then got on the arm of the chair, jumped in the bag. Because I opened the area. Oh, he's
Yeah.
listening. Well, guess what? His owner is smart. Well, Tito grew up with my clients. Everybody knows Tito. If you don't know Tito, you better get to know him because he's the doorman.
Yeah, that's right. He's the protector.
Oh, yeah. You won the beauty pageant, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, she did. She won the beauty pageant, guys. I guarantee you, her hair looks as good or even better than Miss Aniston out there. So, Jennifer Aniston, we have a challenge on you. For years I've been telling her this. Only if you grow your hair, your daughters grow it and you just keep controlling.
Yep.
You're a professional. Executive level hair, customer, executive level haircut and keep it going.
That's right.
You know, in France, we call the ladies Jelly Queen Beautiful.
You got good hair.
Good hair.
Thank you.
Good hair is not good enough.
You have a good,
Excellent.
you have a lot of hair. Don't you?
Well, I totally damaged my hair.
Oh, you did?
I was wearing it in the ponytail for months. I have a job where I take my clients to the pool a lot.
Uh-huh.
And so I just put up in ponytail. And I like the way I look in ponytail.
Lapis in here. Okay, one second. Let me borrow you for a second. Let me borrow you for a second. Let me borrow you. How do you like? See, she got the token.
Yeah.
How do you like your hair,
How are you
man?
feeling about it? It's fantastic.
Thank you very much. She's so beautiful. Everybody wants to get her attention. Have a wonderful Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and today is Saturday. God bless you. God bless you, and be kind to yourself.